What if I told you that the secret to unlocking VIP treatment on your next cruise isn't about splurging on suites? It's about dodging the pitfalls that get ordinary passengers in trouble. Stick around as I count down the 10 surprising banned items on cruise ships and why avoiding them will make you feel like the elite traveler you deserve to be. Hey there, fellow travel enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into all things cruising to help you make the most of your high seas adventures. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that could elevate your trip from average to awesome. Today, we're talking about a game-changing cruise hack that truly makes you feel like a VIP, mastering the art of what not to pack. You see, cruise lines have strict rules on prohibited items for safety, security, and smooth operations. Bringing something banned can lead to delays at embarkation, confiscations, or even worse, getting denied boarding. But by knowing these ahead of time, you'll breeze through check-in, avoid awkward encounters with security, and enjoy your vacation like the pro you are. We're counting down from 10 to 1 with a quick explanation of each item and why it's off limits. Let's get started. Number 10. Extension cords with surge protectors. These handy gadgets might seem innocent for charging all your devices, but most cruise lines ban them because they can overload the ship's electrical system, posing a fire risk. Cabins have limited outlets, and the wiring on older ships isn't designed for high-power surges. Instead, opt for a simple USB hub or the cruise-approved power strips they sometimes sell on board. Pro tip: pack a multi-port charger to keep everything juiced up without breaking the rules. This keeps you feeling organized and VIP ready from day one. Number 9. Irons and clothing steamers. Wrinkled clothes are a bummer, but bringing your own iron or steamer is a no-go on virtually every major cruise line like Royal Caribbean, Carnival, or Norwegian. The reason? They're major fire hazards with their high heat elements that could spark if left unattended. Ships have laundry services or self-service laundromats with irons available, so plan ahead or pack wrinkle-resistant fabrics. Avoiding this ban means you won't have your favorite outfit confiscated, letting you strut the decks looking sharp and feeling elite. Number 8. Candles and incense. Romantic ambiance might be on your mind, but open flames like candles or incense are strictly prohibited. Cruise ships are essentially floating hotels, and with thousands of passengers, the risk of fire spreading quickly is too high. Remember, you're out at sea with limited escape options. Why ban them? Past incidents have shown how easily a small flame can turn disastrous. Go for battery-operated LED candles instead for that cozy vibe. This hack ensures your cabin stays serene and sanction-free, enhancing your VIP relaxation mode. Number 7. Drones. Tech-savvy travelers love capturing aerial footage, but drones are banned on most cruises due to safety concerns. They could interfere with ship navigation, invade privacy, or even collide with the vessel or other aircraft. Ports often have additional restrictions, and flying one without permission could lead to fines. The why? Cruise lines prioritize passenger safety and comply with aviation regulations. If you must film, use a GoPro or smartphone stabilizer. Knowing this keeps you out of trouble and focused on enjoying the views like a true insider. Number 6. Hoverboards and electric skateboards. These fun mobility devices might seem perfect for zipping around the ship, but their lithium batteries pose a significant fire risk, similar to issues seen with e-cigarettes or laptops in the past. Bans stem from airline and maritime safety standards to prevent battery malfunctions at sea. Why so strict? A fire in a confined space like a cruise ship could be catastrophic. Leave them at home and walk the decks for exercise. It's a great way to discover hidden gems on board and feel that VIP wanderlust. Number 5. Hot plates kettles, and toasters. Dreaming of in-cabin snacks or a quick cup of tea? Think again. These electrical appliances are banned because they generate excessive heat and could cause fires or electrical shorts in the ship system. Cruise lines provide plenty of dining options 24/7, so the ban ensures everyone uses communal facilities safely. The rationale: preventing accidents in a shared environment where help might be minutes away. Hack your way around it by requesting hot water from room service, keeping your morning smooth and luxurious. Number 4, hard liquor and excessive alcohol. While some lines allow a bottle of wine or champagne per cabin, hard liquor is generally prohibited to control onboard consumption and revenue from bars. Smuggling it in can result in confiscation or penalties. Why banned? To promote responsible drinking and safety. Intoxicated passengers can lead to accidents or disruptions. Feel like a VIP by splurging on a drink package or enjoying the ship's specialty cocktails, turning happy hour into a high-class affair. Number 3, CBD products and marijuana. Even if legal in your home state, CBD gummies, oils, or any cannabis-related items are banned on cruises due to federal laws and international waters regulations. Ships sail under flags that prohibit them, and drug-sniffing dogs at ports enforce this strictly. The reason: avoiding legal complications and ensuring a family-friendly environment. Skip them to avoid searches or ejection, and opt for natural relaxation methods like spa treatments for that ultimate VIP unwind. Number 2, fireworks and explosives. This one might seem obvious, but fireworks, flares, or any explosive materials are absolutely forbidden. The danger of accidental ignition on a ship packed with fuel and passengers is immense, plus they violate maritime security protocols. Why the ban? Post-9/11 security measures and historical fire risks make this non-negotiable. Celebrate with the ship's organized events instead, like fireworks shows at sea, to keep the party going safely and stylishly. And finally, number 1, weapons and firearms, including replicas. Guns, knives over a certain length, tasers, or even toy weapons are top of the banned list for obvious reasons: security and preventing violence in a confined space. Cruise lines screen luggage like airports, and bringing these could lead to arrest. The why: protecting all passengers in an environment where law enforcement is limited. By leaving them behind, you ensure a peaceful voyage, feeling secure and superior like the savvy cruiser you are. There you have it, the top 10 banned items that every VIP-minded cruiser avoids. Remembering these will save you time, stress, and potential fines, letting you focus on the fun parts of cruising. Part 3, the outro Hugh. That was a lot to unpack, pun intended. By steering clear of these 10 banned items, you're not just following rules. You're hacking your way to a seamless, luxurious cruise experience that makes you feel like absolute royalty. No more holdups at security, no confiscated favorites, just pure enjoyment from port to port. If this video helped you prep for your next adventure, give it a thumbs up, share it with your travel buddies, and drop a comment below. What's the weirdest thing you've ever had confiscated on a cruise? Don't forget to subscribe for more insider tips on making your travels epic. Thanks for watching Safe Sails, and I'll see you in the next video.